Hello all and welcome back to another video about our video series making the safety setup for the hydraulic press. Now, as you can see on the video, I do have actually all the devices in the network hooked up, and what I'm gonna do next is that I will see if I can find all the devices, and therefore there is a button on the top toolbar that says accessible devices, and I will click on that one to see if we can find all the devices. And this is the same like it is if you download something. um, we select the network that we will be using, and also the network adapter, and this is always the same. And then I'm just gonna push the start search button and see what devices will show up, and it was pretty fast. So we do have one, two, three, four, five, 6 devices. um, that is already the CPU that we already named, and it's the 1ET200 adapter that we also already named and that we already have in the setup working. And here we have all the other ones, and I think in order to give them a IP address and name them, we will go ahead and make a network configuration and then go from there with the identification respectively. The identification I can do now. Let's just see. I just take my camera and I'll just show you what happened if I flash the LED to the regarding device. All right, so let's go ahead and let's just flash the CPU and see if it flashes actually. There you can see, yes, it does. And then we mark the KF20, which is this one right here, and we will also let the LED flash. Alright, so you can see the LED flashing, and if I switch it off, it stops flashing. So the next one will be the device with the end number, with the address number, whatever it is, 30B855, whatever. We'll just let that flash and see which device it is. So that's the 40, that one right here. That's the 40, so I will write that down. The next one is the end number, whatever, 7C, another one. That's the 10, the KF10 flashing, and if we switch it off, you can see the LEDs going off. You can see that yellow LED flashing right here. So that is the 10, and then we should have the 30 remaining. That should be this one here. And let's just let the 30 flash. See if this is the correct one. Yep, there we go. And also the scale lengths. I'm just wondering how the scale length starts flashing and how it's gonna look. Is there any difference? I don't really see a difference. Alright, and let's check that on data. Alright, so that's it. So now we do have the actual devices depending on the MAC address, and according to this I will make now the hardware configuration. And for the hardware configuration, we're gonna step over to another video, otherwise I think these videos are getting too long. So see you, and thank you for watching on how to find devices and how to actually, what do I want to say, identify them. How to identify the devices on the Profinet. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.